Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. I hope this finds you well. It is a beautiful day here in Chicago. The temperatures are great. It's going to be a high of 80 today. Sun's coming through the window. It's a little warm in here right now because I'm being domestic and baking bread in my oven. It's a peasant bread. If you don't know what that is, look it up on the web. It's pretty easy. But I'm making a peasant bread tonight for a cookout that's got a sourdough starter in it with some herbs. So it's going to be really, really good. So lecture morning. I had a lecture program this morning. In a meeting, I got another little conference call going on about another hour, and my thing tonight. And so working towards the weekend ahead, which is going to be really great, and the weather's going to be stunning just like it was last weekend. Some people were asking me today and last night my thoughts on the shooting in Utah yesterday, and my feeling is we need gun control in this country. It's horrible what happened. Doesn't matter if you're Republican, Independent, Democratic, or whatever. No shooting should happen to anybody. I'm getting sick and tired of the shootings like everybody else. It's horrible, but until we have gun control along with some other things holistically in our country, it's still going to happen. And it's horrible that we have such a violent nation of things going on and people are at odds with one another. So that's my opinion. Many of you know that I did a documentary on the Pulse nightclub shooting, so you know my feelings on that. But we need gun control. We need to be proactive, and it's always like thoughts and prayers, which I'm so effing tired about hearing, that we need to be proactive and do something on it. The time is now. The time was yesterday, but we need to be proactive on it. So that's my soapbox moment, and that's how I feel about it. I hope you're feeling some peace wherever you're at and some healing. Get out and do something for yourself. I have friends that are glued to the TV. Step away from the news, from the TV, from CNN, or wherever you're watching, and get away from it. Inform yourself, but get away from it. It's just taking up too much of your life to be stuck in front of the TV all the time, and our cell phones and everything else. So that's all I got, folks. Yeah. And also somebody asked, how's my neck doing? Not so good right now. I got this pulled thing going on still. I'll be 3 weeks on Sunday. Was at the chiropractor. Who knows what's happening? So I'm on a little bit of a painkiller right now. Just a high ibuprofen. That's all. Nothing crazy. But yeah, just pulls a little bit. So chiropractor says I got a little bit of a slipped disc or something. Fantastic getting old, isn't it? As my dad said, it's a privilege. Anyway, I gotta run, everybody. Thanks for checking in. I love you to pieces. Subscribe, like, and share. Be kind to me. And I will talk to you soon. All right? Probably on Monday. All right? Have a great weekend ahead. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the share. Bye.